Duolingo Plus versus Super Duolingo versus Duolingo Max. So if you're using Duolingo to learn a new language, you've probably seen the upgrade options like Duolingo Plus, Super Duolingo, and Duolingo Max. Let's break them down real quick. First, Duolingo Plus. Duolingo Plus was the original paid version. You get no ads, offline lessons, and you can repair your streak if you miss a day. It's basically just Duolingo, but smoother and with a couple of extra perks. Now, next, we have Super Duolingo. Duolingo rebranded Plus to Super Duolingo. Same features, just a new name and a colorful look. So if you see Super Duolingo and wonder what happened to Plus, they're the same thing. You're not missing anything. Then there's Duolingo Max, which is the premium of the premium. It includes everything from Super Duolingo Plus, access to AI features like Explain My Answer and Role Play, where you can practice real conversations with AI. It's like having a mini tutor inside the app. So to sum up with, Super Duolingo has no ads, offline, and fun colors. Max is all that plus cool AI tools to help you go deeper. If you're just casually learning, Super might be enough, but if you want more practice and explanation, Max is pretty awesome. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.